In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and change a Shift Bids status. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your location selected. You must be at a specific location in order to work with bidding. Then choose Bidding. Select the Shift Bid whose status you want to view. I will choose this one. You should arrive at your status page. If you haven't, go to your top menu bar and click on Status. Right now I can see the information for this Shift Bid. I can see the name of the Shift Bid, what dates it covers, the stage it's in, the privileges, any notes I added. I can also see the progress of this Shift Bid. I can see who has been assigned, 0 of 12 employees, and who we are waiting for. Finally, I can see the stage of this Shift Bid. Right now it is in Setup. This means I can add lines so that employees can select them, I can add and delete employees, and basically set up the Shift Bid. I must be in Setup mode in order to do those things. If I switch to Preview, now my employees can view the Shift Bid, so they can decide which ones they might want to bid on, but they cannot make any bids yet. In order to allow my employees to bid, I need to switch it to Select. When your Shift Bid is in the Select stage, your employees can bid on lines, which will become their shifts in their schedule. If you need to pause the bidding, you can do so by choosing Pause. When you do this, Teamwork will save all of the bids that have already been logged, but no new bids can be placed. This can be useful when you have a set time for employees to bid. Maybe you have groups of employees and you want the first group to go and make their bids for an hour, then you're going to pause it, then reopen it for the second group to start making their bids, and so on. To lock in a bid and assign the employees to the lines they have selected, you need to be in Assign. So when you click Assign, this is where you are able to actually assign a line to specific employees based on how they bid, their ranks, and any other factors you have taken into consideration. Once you've assigned your Shift Bid, you can choose Complete. When you choose Complete, that's when you are able to use this Shift Bid and the lines that you have set up to create schedules. If you have not selected the complete stage, you will not see this Shift Bid show up in your options when you're creating your schedule. I'm going to go back to the Setup stage. Anytime you change this stage, you do need to click Save in order for Teamwork 5 to actually save that change. So I will click on Save, and now this Shift Bid has been changed to Setup. A green save bar will appear under the Save button, letting you know when you last saved this page. That's how you can use your Teamwork 5 Shift Bid status page. Check out the next video to learn how to view employee assignments.